Hello, and we finally hit the 1,000 subscriber mark. Thank you everybody who has subscribed. I really appreciate it. I thought it was a good opportunity to have a quick update to let you know where we are and sort of how I feel about the channel. You may or may not know the channel started in 2019 when I was doing a series on converting IKEA PAX wardrobes into a fitted wardrobe system. Something I was doing anyway, and I used the YouTube series as a way of teaching my daughter how video production works, and we ended up getting 81,000 views on the first of those 3 videos. Wasn't expecting that at all. Basically it spurred me on to do a few more, and in fact in 2021 I was doing a project in one of my rental properties involving a Jack and Jill bathroom, which is where 2 rooms share 1 bathroom in a shared student house. We did some very clever stuff there to ensure that the rooms for the students were both secure, but also they had access to the shower room and they had privacy when they were in the shower room. I made a video, a very short hack on how to fit a Melody lampshade, which is also from my student properties, which did very well. Got 42,000 views for that. And since then I've done a series on how to convert a standard push bike into an e-bike using a Tongsheng mid-drive kit. Interestingly, the video that got the most views on that was how the controller is set up. And onto my latest project, which I started at the beginning of this year, 2024, which is a steampunk style arcade table using a 1980s Vectrex computer game system. So there we are. It's been 5 years. We have got over 1,000 subscribers now. Thank you so much. What we don't have right now is enough watch hours to monetize. I'd love to know if you guys have got any suggestions as to how we get those viewer hours up. At the moment we're at 3,350. I need to hit 4,000 before we can actually monetize, and it would be wonderful if we could get to that stage. If you've got any suggestions, please do put them in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Do subscribe if you haven't already. Give me a thumbs up. Hit that notification bell if you'd like to see more videos from me. And I will see you on the next video. Thanks again. Take care.